Welcome to modules 14 and 15 of this 16-week semester. In the next two modules, we will concentrate on communicating in the job search. I've split Chapter 11 content into two separate modules. In this module, we are concentrating on how to prepare a cover message to accompany your resume and/or application while in the job search. The reason I do this is because your cover message is basically a persuasive sales message, so you will be applying the skills you learned from Chapter 7, Learning Objectives 7-1 through 7-5, in addition to the Chapter 11, Learning Objectives 11-5, to prepare your Module 15, Part 2 Review Assessment. By the end of these modules, you will meet the following Chapter 11 Learning Objectives listed on Canvas module pages 14.1 and 15.1. With Chapter 11, you'll learn how to develop and use a network of contacts in your job search, assemble and evaluate information that will help you select a job, identify the sources that can lead you to an employer, compile resumes for print and electronic environments that are strong, complete, and very organized, write targeted cover messages that skillfully sell your abilities, explain how you can participate effectively in an interview, write application follow-up messages that are appropriate, friendly, and positive, and finally, teach you how to maintain your job search activities always. To meet these Chapter 11 learning objectives, you're going to complete the following activities and assessments. As always, of course, you want to read the chapter in your textbook. Click the link or the next button to go to the PowerPoint slideshow, download and/or print the PDF version of the instructor version by clicking here. You have the entire Chapter 11 slideshow available here in Module 14. In Module 15, it's going to only be the section regarding resumes. So I suggest you download this entire chapter. Clicking next, we move on to the next discussion forum titled hotjobs.com. Please read the discussion case background very carefully. Then answer the two questions for discussion down at the bottom here. Remember, your post should be at least 300 words and be substantive. Use terminology and examples from what you've learned in this class and other valid sources that justify your answers. Remember to cite all sources, including the textbook and this Hot Jobs article in your works cited list. Your original post is due by Thursday at 11:59, and your replies, at least two, is due by Sunday at 11:59. Moving on to the next, we are now in Module 15. Again, if you've already downloaded the PowerPoint slideshow in Module 14, you have the entire chapter, so you don't need to download the resume-only portion available here. But you will see when we click on the link that it is a limited version and only discusses the resume section. Clicking the next button, there's one more assignment for you guys, and this is called the Chapter 11 Ready, Set, Edit exercise number 8. In addition to the detailed instructions, I've included a video to help clarify the instructions and help you move forward with this assignment. If you still need help, please contact me for additional clarification. Clicking the next button gives you Part 1 of the Chapter 11 review quiz. Once again, made up of 10 multiple choice questions worth 1 point each. Remember, you have 30 minutes to complete the quiz with 2 attempts allowed. The due date for this quiz is Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Finally, you will perform Part 2 of this review, which utilizes the persuasive sales message plan from Chapter 7 and writing a cover message content from Chapter 11. To begin with, you will click on the link to the problem-solving case right here or here, and also you have it down here. This link will take you to a scenario that you've just completed college. Let's take a look at what this scenario says here. So here's the scenario. Graduation is fast approaching, and you're now ready to sell your working ability in the job market. As you can see, there are about 26 different job listings on this exhibit here. Your task is to choose from one of these job advertisements that might appeal to you if you were looking for a permanent position after graduation in your major field. And then you're to prepare a cover message according to the Chapter 7 Persuasive Sales Message Plan and the Chapter 11 Writing a Cover Message. When you prepare this message, remember you should once again utilize the Planning the Message resources from Chapters 1 and 2, which of course I've added links to right here. The due date for this part of the assessment is still the same date as the part 1 of the quiz, and the reason for this is you've already received your grade for the Chapter 7 writing assignment, and to be able to use the feedback as a study guide for using persuasion here, so you don't really need the extra week this time. Well, you guys, only 1 week to go. You are awesome. Have a great week, and remember to contact me if you have any questions, concerns, or run into any problems at all.